juices from the slow-cooked bacon overflow to every corner of my mouth.
Rock out, momnomgasms, monem yes chef, monem yes chef.
Hello. What? Oh, I found your phone. Yours are dyed blue, guys. Hello, everyone. Hello. Howdy. Sup, bitches. Sup, fuckers. I am ready. Hello, everyone. Welcome in. My name is Mom Noms. I'm a professional chef of 20 years, and here I teach you a little bit about food, food history, and how to make something. How you doing? How you doing? Please, please don't judge me on the fact that I dyed my fingers, well, almost the color of Electrifying Radio's name on my screen. I need to biggins this screen, but I have not done that yet. Because I have been, actually, they're about the same color as my, they're about the same color as my apron. Lucas saw one of my hands and was like, what? Are you dying? No, I'm not dying. I'm working on a costume. I'm working on a costume. I'm not dying. Anyway, hello everyone. Welcome in. Hello, Electrifying Radio and Kilton. No, as my apron. Why do y'all keep saying that I'm saying something I'm not saying? I'm not enjoying this. Like, that is one of my least favorite things. Like, that actually really bothers me. No, as my apron. I was dying, though. I am still dying. I still have to sew the rest of this. I have to sew the rest of it. Because it's a costume for tonight for Kiddo. We are going to see, I don't know if any of you guys know what Final Space is. They released the last season as a book because it was canceled on TBS. And so we are going. The dude who created it is from the Smashville. And so we're going to say hi. It's one of Lucas's favorites. I'm excited about it. But thanks for the Stoics. It wasn't a hoot to me. That was not a hoot to me. That bothered me a lot. Like, I cannot, I'm sorry, I'm a communications major who was a debater and was in theater, so I had to learn to enunciate my words. And when I say puh instead of tuh, when I say tip instead of tit, they're two obviously different things. And it's no shade, I'm just still a little frustrated from yesterday with that, because that is not something that is fun to me. I get it, make fun of the streamer and all that good stuff, but I'm not, when it comes to language, I'm not great at making it. I know it wasn't you, and no, it wasn't smutty. I don't have any smutty aprons. I only have my, do I have smutty aprons? I don't have any lace aprons.
Slutty aprons exist?
Probably. Can someone Google whether slutty aprons exist? I mean, don't do that. You'll be put on some kind of list. I swear you will be put on some kind of list. But do slutty aprons exist?
Slutty aprons.
Oh, God. Stay there, flower. Should I get any apron? Could be what else you wear with it or you don't wear with it. That's not even an apron. That's a bikini. Okay, I could do that one. That one's cute. I don't think it would be TOS friendly, though. Any apron can be smutty depending on what else you do or don't wear with it. I'm gonna wear a parka with it. How much smuttier can you get than a parka? Maid dress. Been awake since 4 a.m. Kiddo woke me up at 4, but I didn't have to go into their room today, which was nice. They just kind of fell back asleep. But then the sun woke me up because we usually have our door shut, but there was a cat in our room last night. And so, yeah, there was a cat, like, legitimately sleeping under the covers with us. And so we had to keep the door open so that it could go get its food when it was ready to eat, when the food machine goes off in the morning. But that also means that the sun comes directly into our fucking bedroom. Like, right into the eye. Like, as soon as the sun comes up, there's just a beam of light. And I woke up at, like, 5:45, almost 6, and I was like, really? Really? I have to sew today. I haven't sewn in forever. I have already sewn the one of the things that I need to sew. Because Kiddo is dressing up. We're going to be making cookies. This was not on the plan before, but it's on the plan now because we're making cookies for Gary. For Final Space. Olan Rogers plays Gary, and Gary has a huge affinity to cookies. And one of his, like, weird daydream episode things where he's dreaming about something, he has a cookie wife and cookie kids. He likes cookies a lot. And so I'm making cookies for the event that we're going to tonight with Kiddo to give him. Maybe I should just dye them blue too. My fingers are dyed blue not because of, like, regular dye. It's food coloring. I made fabric dye out of food coloring and vinegar. Food coloring water and vinegar, and I'm gonna go down and get them out of the dryer soon, or like re-dry them to see if they actually, because I did it last night and I accidentally washed out all the coloring. I didn't know you were over in our neck of the woods. Oh, I've been cat related. Dorcas wants us to get cats. He misses having cats for himself. Hell yeah, cats! Upstairs in the sunbeams. Coffee is in the tree and wine is at the top, the very top of the stairs, where the sun comes in from the window there. And she doesn't even move when you come up. She just paws at your foot when you walk over her, and she almost tripped me. And I was like, girl, you can't do that. I'm much bigger than you. I will kill you. If I land on you, you're getting smooshed. You're getting smooshed. Oh, man. Everybody's in Knox. Everybody has a hard Knox life. I had a client that was visiting. I had an engagement dinner, and the people were from Knoxville. Well, one of them originally is from this area, but they lived in Knoxville, and they came down so that he could drive the Corvette at the Speedway. Well, that's what he thought. I'm throwing ice everywhere, guys. That's what he thought, but she also then proceeded to ask him to marry her, and I was like, that is the cutest shit ever! Yeah. Anyway, getting my head on straight. Not on. It's kind of crooked right now. You can ask Red. Red came up behind me yesterday while we were streaming and started rubbing my shoulders and was like, my God, what the fuck is wrong with you? Because it's just rock solid. We have something new. We have something new. And it's beautiful. And we're going to get a camera up here so that we can also prep here. I do need to kind of mess with the top, the tabletop, to make it more of a butcher's block. I need to oil it and take some of the there's a plastic sheen on it, so I need to take that off and oil it, and then it can be a chopping block, butcher's block like I have over here. But we got it off the marketplace. And the donations are still up, so if you would like to donate to have been supporting this, I would greatly appreciate it, because $50 is a lot of money to me. But I love it. I love it. It's better than the table, and I can lean on it. It's wonderful. And when Red is on Saturday night, if the person who messages me, if the person who had the bar stools messages me, we could sit behind it! And you guys, we could be all like, hello. Welcome to the show. The family members he doesn't like much don't like cats, so he's thinking that'll keep them away when you move in. That's hilarious. That's very, 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 very funny that he has family members. He's like, I'm gonna scare them away with cats. Ooh, look at my pussy. Meow. They're creepers. Nice coffee today. Nice coffee today. I will share with the Red. Okay, I need that. I need that so I can put my thing full screen because I did not do it yet. Yeah, it had a little bit amount of sugar, but you know what? Sugar high. Anyway, my fingers are green-blue because of dying. Kiddo wanted to be Gary. Lucas is also Gary. I'm not Gary. From Final Space, and I was dyeing clothes last night, and they are like a seafoam color, and so for like a belt, and I had only one of my hands was blue last night, and I like looked at Lucas and just went, look, and he was like, oh my God, do we need to go to the hospital? Hospital! Hospital! I was like, we don't need to go to the hospital. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. But I did severely dye my fingers blue, and then I asked Lucas, even though he is doing the Lord's work by trying to edit my videos. Lord knows that that's not easy. I need to come up with a better way for him editing recipes so that the recipe videos don't take him as long to get through. But I was like, can you please set up the computer and everything for stream? I have to finish painting, because I had to buy a tank top for we were at Goodwill. All of the stuff for this cosplay came from Goodwill, and I got a tank top for pretty cheap that I cut into a cowl, like a graduation cowl, and I sewed it up this morning, sitting on the ground. By the way, I was sitting on my sewing machine is on the floor of my living room right now, because Lucas and I share a tinkering table, and the stream deck is set up on it right now. And so I was like, well, fuck it, I'm just gonna sit on the ground. I thought about doing it outside, and then I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. And so I sat on the ground to sew up the cut edges of this tank top that I turned into a cowl. And then later after stream, I'm going to sew up the belt and sew up the... I have to make like a little ball thing, like a belt buckle. And shoe covers. But I was sitting on the ground, and I had to go and paint the rest so that it dries by the time that we get dressed at like 5 p.m. today. I had to paint the logo of the space thing. I can't think of the name of it right now. I had to paint the logo of it, and I was like, I need to get this painted so we can dry. It'll dry. It was already drying. It was legitimately almost already dry, and I was like, oh, okay. But I'm excited. I haven't done cosplay stuff in a while, so it also like really threw me off my game. I was like, oh my god, cosplay? Sewing? Who does that? But at least I have my sewing machine set back, like kind of set back up. And I remember how to set it up, because it's been years, literally. I've been hand sewing things that I need to sew lately, which is fine and fantastic and wonderful and all of that. But my god, it's hard to set up my little brother sewing machine. Is brother. However, Hank and Kiddo are your usual cosplayers now, aren't they? No, I still cosplay. I still kept almost all of my cosplay stuff. I have a closet full of wigs. That's why Hank can have any hair that they want. I have a closet full of wigs that I go through, and I kept almost all of my cosplay stuff. There's a few pieces that threw away that have been overly used. Not threw away, but donated, that have been overly used, and I just don't feel like being those characters anymore. But I still have my Crowley from Good Omens. That's my main one. I still have all of my Shinso from My Hero Academia. That's one of my main ones too. I still have like Eva from Wall-E. Lucas doesn't like that one. He said that it makes me look like what is the thing that has like no feelings in their eyes? He said it creeps him out. Eva from Wall-E creeps him out. But I literally have, like, are those all my wigs? Do you wear wigs? Do you wear wigs? My hair! When will you wear wigs? These are all my wigs. Look, it's Dutch Waldo. No, when he puts on the jacket, he's just dark-haired Gary. Red wig don't get hot. Anyway, I have a lot of wigs, to say the least. So yes, I still cosplay myself. I just haven't had time or like a want to. But we cosplayed at TwitchCon a couple of years ago. Highly do not recommend wearing a wedding dress to TwitchCon. Doesn't feel good. It gets stepped on a lot. It sucks. And I plan on like actually wearing more. Are you sure it's not a magic trick? Pulling 100 wigs. I think I have like if I'm not mistaken, I have like 100 wigs. Y'all, I used to do so much cosplay. I miss cosplaying. I do not miss the con crunch though. However, it's just been a busy week, so like that's why I had to wait until last minute to do it, and I just did not feel like going to Goodwill 2 weeks ago. What? They are green. My fingers are seafoam blue. They look like, if anyone looks at me and doesn't realize I dyed my fingers blue, they might think that I have like death of fingers. I would like to cosplay, but now I help run cons. I don't think I would enjoy running cons. I've seen how much work goes into running a convention, and that sounds terrible. It sounds terrible. Work it, Callum, work it. Okay, anyway, today it's comfort food. Hi, Miriam. Hi, how are you doing today, Miriam? Today is comfort food. And I have some avocados that I thought would be going bad by now, but they're not. Like, I thought they would be smushy and soft by now. They're still not. So it's going to take a little bit more arm work with my immersion blender to get them the consistency. You know how I am today. That is so weird. I went on for like 15 minutes just to say hi and stuff, and I was just like, okay. And then you told me that right after I got off, and I was like, yeah, I'm putting in my notice. I'm not doing this. Because I can't stand the girl. Yeah, she's a very, very, very parasocial. And if you are gonna add someone who is very parasocial to you and talk shit about your girlfriend and your /wife into mods, I'm not here for that. So, but she's engaged now, so who knows? Who knows? Anyway, we're gonna make avocado cream sauce, and so this is gonna be a really good one for if you want something lighter for food. You have a story about that? Oh. Story time. It's a lighter food. It feels heavy. Are we fighting someone for you? Just I'm a mod in a decent sized VTubers TikTok, and yeah, we're just sad about people being dumb continuously and people not having enough sense to do things that are good for them instead of things that can potentially hurt their relationships and themselves. So that's basically it. That's basically it. And we kind of pulled away when a bunch of drama happened, and I was like, okay, cool. I have like a few extra minutes in the morning. I'll go on. I'll do my thing. I'll be mod, and I was just like, monomes, yes, chef. Nice human fucks self over by making bad choices a lot. It is. And he is a very, very, very nice human overall. And so I am like, you can't, what's the saying? You can't lead the horse to water. Is that the saying?
I don't know. Dutch people, you can't pull on a dead horse.
Stop beating a dead horse is ours. That means stop talking about the same thing over and over and over and over again.
No, but pulling a dead horse, but you can't move.
Sick of people. You're talking about me? Yeah, Therion, I'm talking about you. Good morning. Hope you're guys.
That's why I said.
Yeah, I thought we moved the camera port to be almost all the way. When I moved the camera yesterday, it went to here. So the camera must. Okay. Oh yeah. That's it. I'm sick of people's BS and checking in where I can without sacrificing my well-being. Let it burn, as my child would say. arson. I swear to God, if I ever have to get them from jail, it's gonna be because they burnt something down. They don't even play with fire, which is the funniest part. Let me fix it for 10% of revenue. Oh my God. So we're making the avocado, which is really funny because one of the characters from Final Space is his name is Avocado. Kato, like Cato, Kato. But Avocado. And his son's name is Little Kato. Sorry, I just had a memory of the last episode we watched before we went to bed last night. And it's just, I am broken. They get it from the modded Gordon Ramsay memes, let's be honest. I mean, yeah, could be. Fucking burn, man. They also get it from me. I like setting shit on fire. That's why I'm a chef. I had to do something productive with it, right? Like, when I was a teenager in college, in university, Courtney and I would go to a park and it would be empty because it was after the time that you're supposed to not be in the park anymore, but the cops didn't give a fuck if you were there because it's a huge park. It's like there's little tiny parks in a hill mountain. They called it a mountain. And there's little tiny parks and they had, where's your nearest torch? Right here. My favorite torch. My favorite torch. I use this a lot, actually. I use this for creme brulees. But it's like a lightsaber. Right here. We're gonna get over. Oh, I don't care. Burn our house down, kiddo. We have insurance. Worse shit's happened recently. Worse shit has happened recently. I wouldn't be surprised if they burn our house down. It's locked. I always lock it. I'm not dumb. But we used to go to this park and they had cement picnic tables, and so this is how we would clean out my car from all of this stuff, because I was in 25 hours of classes in university per semester, so that's a lot of classes, and I was a debater. So my entire trunk was full of papers. And work. My entire trunk was full of papers, and so in order to clean out my car, the one night I had off a month, basically, is we would take all of these papers and we would go to the park and we'd get a bottle of lighter fluid and we just and then catch it on fire on a cement. We were dumb, young and dumb, but we'd catch it all on fire and just play at the park until it stopped burning, and then we would go home, and that would be, we'd be like little fucking witches just dancing around the fire. Just like, fire! It was fantastic. I miss it. I wish I was still young and dumb, but now I have a conscience. And it sucks, okay? I do not like having a conscience. I would rather just be young and dumb and doing stupid shit without fearing consequences. But here I am in my 30s fearing every fucking consequence there is. So I can't just go to a park and catch shit on fire because then I'll go to jail. And I don't really feel like going to jail. Like, that sounds kind of awful. So, like, maybe not. But I will go into my backyard and catch shit on fire because I do have a fire pit back there that we have not used yet. Use that soon. But it's been too rainy. That sucks. Anyway, on top of the avocado pasta, which is going to be this really nice vibrant green, it's going to consist of avocado and lemon and spinach. We didn't start the fire. We didn't start the fire. It was always burning. Oh, I love that song. Save jail time for the cult leader and his bullshit. Yes. Is it cold? No, it's hot. Well, today it's supposed to be moderately hot. The last several weeks, it's been like spring, minus 1 or 2 days. I love you. I love you. Can you screenshot that for me? Oh, the pasta. Yes, the pasta will be hot. It will be a hot pasta. This is. I thought you meant it's hot outside. I'm like, it's a little iffy right now. Or is it cold outside? It's a little iffy right now. It's been moderately cold in the mornings, and then just like spring in the afternoon. But next week we have a heat advisory. Hey Google, what is 102 degrees Fahrenheit to Celsius? So it's going to be almost 39 degrees one day next week. And then it gets back to being whatever this temperature that we've been having lately is. I don't know. It's like been in the like mid 20s to like early 20s kind of thing. It's been weird. I don't like it because it doesn't feel like summer. We might be getting a pool today. I have to message the people. Free pool. Yay. We might be getting a pool today, which means that we can have pool parties outside while it's hot. And I'm excited because we had a pool last year that we also got for free. And it wound up breaking and went whoosh in my entire backyard. And it was wonderful. That's what you get on Saturday? Damn. Imagine that for a month. Well, we usually have that. That's why I said the weather is weird. Usually we have, it's in the 40s at least from 30s. Yeah, usually it's like from 37 to about 42 from like, what, May until September? There was an earthquake yesterday. There was like a 5.3 somewhere in NorCal yesterday. So Celsius, yeah, it was like normally the summer here is almost 100% humidity, and it's in Fahrenheit it's over 100 from the end of May until almost October. And then it finally starts. The October is always up in the air whether it's going to be really fucking hot or going to be really cold. You never know. You never know. It was just a 5.6. Yeah. I had a warning on my phone yesterday about the quake, but I didn't feel it. Yeah, it was a 5.6. I think that while I was in California, for the 10 years I was in California, the biggest I ever experienced was a 5.5. I think we should do cookies first.
Yeah.
Why, yeah. We're doing the gochujang cookies that I made for an event a while back that I didn't stream because I wasn't streaming yet. So we're making gochujang chocolate cookies. And I'm excited about it because these are damn good cookies. I'm just putting that out there. Like I said, this was a last minute ad. This was a last minute ad, so we'll see how this actually turns out. Why do you live in hell? It's called America. Thank you. We live in Tennessee. This isn't even the hottest state. This is by far not the hottest state there is. When I lived in Texas, it was 110 degrees all summer, Fahrenheit, for like all of summer. Until October. And then again, once again, like October is always just the wild card. And it sucked. It's not even, no, it's like the place before you get to hell. I'm not celebrating the 4th of July. We might, kiddo, if I have a kiddo, we might do what we did last year and just go and walk around and look at fireworks like we did, but we chased fireworks. So we might go and chase fireworks again, but like, and maybe make some hot dogs on the grill. I do need to get propane and propane accessory. Propane! propane and propane accessories. Okay, hold on. I'm getting my recipe for the gochujang chocolate chip cookies. Hi, Triad. How you doing? Have family all over Texas. I am originally from Waco, Texas. Well, that's the nearest city. So, I get that. I get that. I did not. I left Texas as soon as I fucking could, man. Okay, here we are. We are doing the gochujang New York time recipe. Sick on, hell yeah. Your dad went to Baylor? I went to Baylor! I have a communications degree and a political science degree from Baylor. Take a shower in bed, it's too hot. Get cold. Cold. I did. I as that thing happened. I had, what thing happened? The Branch Davidian was when I was like 2 years old, and my mom said that she hid me underneath a bed because we were 2 miles away from it. Are you like in a house right now, Bluesy? Or are you like hoofing it? Like, are y'all outside in like a camping spot, or are you like in a house or a hotel? Because I do know that none of these are the cookies that I want. Why can't I find that recipe? Because if you're in a house, yes, put a towel in our freezer. Gochujang. Okay, cookies. It's Money Morphin cookie time. Money Morphin cookie time. What, Miriam? Miriam's tired of my shit. I swear to God. I swear. She's like, what the fuck is wrong with you? Alright, so we need... Oh, okay. I was like... I mean, I know that I'm like... I know I'm a dumbass. I know I'm a dumbass, okay? You don't have to tell me it's gonna be hot and humid in the land. Man, Tennessee is the most humid place I've ever lived in my entire life. And you know what's been good? Thick skin, dumb of ass. Sometimes. Sometimes. I'm actually a very smart person. But sometimes I just don't like using my brain. And that's nice. Hide yourself in a freezer at this point. Man, do you know what I miss? Walk-ins. I want to, if I owned this house, if my landlord, who's old as hell, was like, you know what? He's literally owned this house since the 90s. Like, full paid off. He has no mortgage to this house. He only pays taxes. And even then, he pays like $5,000 a year in taxes. I looked it up. I was like, damn, you only use 2 of our checks to pay for taxes? That's amazing. But he's owned this house for like a hot minute. And he's old as hell. So if he ever was like, hey, because I know he saves our checks. He uses them basically in case something happens to the house, or if it needs like maintenance, or like if the like for taxes and stuff like that. But for the most part, he saves our checks, and he's a very nice landlord. This guy is great. I love him. Like, he was like, when we paid after the blackout, he was like, when I said that you didn't have to worry about it, I meant you did not have to worry about it. And I was like, yes, but I know, but I have PTSD from my last landlord, so I had to pay for it. If he ever was like, okay, I'm gonna take what you guys have already paid in... This is a lot of butter. This feels like it's too much. Anyway. What you've already paid in rent, and I'm gonna take that as a down payment, essentially, for the house, and you guys get to keep the house the way I want to build a walk-in. Like, in the fucking basement. Just have a full commercial kitchen set up in the basement. I literally keep getting cat-related ads. Is this a sign to hurry up and move in? Yes, you need to hurry up and move in with Dorcas. Your family situation is too toxic. Time to move in with Dorcas. We're gonna cream our butter.
Can I get in here? I need to. Oh my god!
Oh my god! Hi, Sophie. Oh my god! It's a cephalitis. It's a cephalitis. I've disappeared now. You guys will never ever see me again in your entire life. Oh wait, I have to leave the freezer. Or the pantry. We're just bullshitting today, Seth. I'm sorry. Hopefully this will help. Hopefully you'll feel better after just being here. Because we're just, as we've already said, we're just a bunch of dumbasses. We're doing the dumbassery today. You don't belong in here. I'm sorry, Sephi. But yes, Soap, you need to move in with Dorcas and get cats. That is the best plan. Hi. How are you doing today? I do like having this counter space. While it's fine. All I'm doing is pouring sugar. That's perfectly fine. Hello, hello. Dumas! I am a Dumas. Oh my god, a 5 stream streak? That's crazy. March of that will literally be 7 years together, so you need to hurry the fuck up. Yeah, y'all need to hurry. Hurry up! Do the damn thing already. Do the damn thing. Plus, you just need to get out of your parents. They're not helping matters. Really great conversation with Red yesterday about parents. And I think a lot of it is generational. Like, a lot of the things that, like, really suck are generational. But what really also does suck is that, like, we take that generational bullshit and we're like, okay, we're going to be better than that. We're going to treat our kids better than that. We're going to do better than that. And they were just like, well, this is how my parents raised me. Like, bitch, I don't give a fuck. I'm so ready to add the gochujang to this. So, do better. Exactly. If I were to get another cat, I would spend the money and get a Maine Coon. Oh my god. Okay, so do you know what I secretly want? First of all, this is not a secret. You can own a red fox in the state of Tennessee. You have to get them from the correct, like, from a buyer. But, like, you have to actually get ones that, like, they make sure that, you know, they're fine. That's something that I really want. But secretly, I want a Savannah cat. I want a Savannah cat really bad. Okay, so we have We have basically a cup of butter, a cup of brown sugar, 3/4 a cup of white sugar, of cane sugar, a pinch of salt, a little pour of vanilla extract. We're going to add in 2 eggs to this, about 2.5 cups of flour, baking powder, baking soda, and gochujang. And then we're going to add some kind of chocolate in, and then we're going to bake it. Yay, I'm baking. Look, Mom, what I can do. I know how to bake. How about you? I like to get all of the, I don't want to add the eggs in yet because I'm weird. I am going to go ahead and add the gochujang into this. Gochujang is jealous of being able to own a fox. I had them. I should start a help mom and moms buy a fox. Just kidding. I wouldn't do that. I have other babies to worry about. All right, gochujang is back in the fridge. We're gonna mix this together and then start adding our baking soda and baking powder. Where's my baking powder? Out. Not. There it is. Then we'll do the eggs and then finally the flour. Look, kids, I can smell real interactions with my mom as a kid. Oh my god. Those are cool cats as well. Yeah. Hi, Mom and Stepdad. His mom and stepdad said if we can get our shit together, they might help us with a little granny flat or whatever it's called in their backyard. They have a reasonably sized yard. Woo, that's cool. A gray fox? Ooh. We haven't seen many foxes lately, but when we first moved in, like literally the first weekend that we were here, there was a fox outside of our house. It was so nice. So nice. We have mostly red foxes around here. Mostly. 2 eggs. And I need baking soda. No, ma'am. No, sir. And then we can add the flour. I was not really super prepared to make cookies on stream today, but I kind of have to because of what we're doing today, so hopefully it'll turn out great. The last time I made these, they turned out really, really well. We made them for a catering event that we did. They turned out really well. They had that like after bite of having gochujang in them. Oh, so good. So good. Hi, Pickles. How are you doing? What's your opinion on calling Red full government name in front of his family just so then you can say you love him? What do you mean? I often call Red by his full government name when I say I love him, to be very honest. Calling him Mr. Red. You're going to be making steak, potato, leek. Ooh, we made steak yesterday. Pickles, how's your $15 car? What? 15? I think I need an update on this. I need to get the whisk, the same insert, the same whisk that I have going right now, but I need to get it with the plastic not the plastic, but the like rubber paddle on the side so that it picks up better. Picks up everything better. It's Mr. Potato Head to you. Our pasta is not going to take too long, so I'm glad that Red was like, yo, make the cookies first. I thought they put the price on cars. Oh my god. The sticker on the window said $15 for 2015. Time Lord said $15 not for... Miriam is good at reading. False advertising. It's just false advertising. Imagine getting a car for $15. Imagine. All right, I need basically half a cup more. And then we're going to add in our chocolate. Now, we don't have chocolate chips, but we do have baking M&Ms. So, it's going to have baking M&Ms in it. Still chocolate. A Mini Coupe? Oh, you have a Mini Cooper? Cute. My mom always said she wanted a Mini Cooper when she graduated college, and then she never got herself a Mini Cooper when she graduated college. She has a nice truck, though. Like, it's a tiny truck. M&Ms. Bacon M&M. Lucifer. I love Lucifer. I need to... You're naming cookies? Yeah, the bag isn't gone. You're making cookies? I'm making gochujang cookies. Gochujang chocolate cookies. And I'm going to be a little sacrilege because I do want melty chocolate in here, so I'm going to use candy from Christmas. I'm using Kiddo's candy from Christmas just to break it for a second and add it in. Yeah. Am I naming cookies? Yeah. They're going to be named Fred. All of them will be either named Fred or Fredrina. Ew. Oh, I'm glad that you got it then. I'm glad you got it. And we're making the actual avocado pasta here momentarily. We're gonna get these, we're gonna let the dough rest for a moment, and then we'll get them in the oven. And then we'll, after the break, start making our avocado pasta, which is not gonna take long. The avocado pasta will not take long at all. Because it's going to be mostly, we're going to blend up the sauce and then cook it down. Oh my god, Red was standing up, and I didn't realize Red was standing up, and wow. Wow! Alright. Cool. We'll have to sprinkle this with some of our good salt at the end as well. That's pretty much done. We have an ad starting in 1 minute and 33 seconds. When we get back from ads, our oven will hopefully be hot, and we can get the cookies in the oven. Damn, it didn't crash. Can we milk the avocados for that amazing avocado milk? Yes. Yes, we'll milk the avocados. Obviously. Obviously. We have to grab their little ends and go week, 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 week. Oh man. Okay. This on 375. And then, yup, that's ready to go. Das is ready to go. You and your milk bath. I don't want a milk bath. You want a milk bath. You know you'd like it. Have a nice lurk. Have a good lurky twerky. A good little lurky twerky. Yesterday, when we were at Goodwill getting this stuff for kiddo, we found a bedtime. You work tonight? Have a good, nice little sleep then. When we were at Goodwill, we found a game called Twerk Pong, and kiddo and I laughed really hard because we were like, "What the fuck is this? Twerk Pong." That doesn't look too terrible, actually. It's gonna be pretty. All right, we have an ad break, which means I'm gonna go sit down for a moment. I have sugar in my pocket, and I don't like it. Literally have sugar in my pocket. I wouldn't be surprised if you just went and grabbed a bite of the cookie dough. I don't like that. Why am I the chosen one? Are you not getting you're not getting ads again? Ow. Anyway, story time, they never met. What? No, and you want them? You want them so you can help? You can help? I mean, Red and I didn't get engaged until after we met. We weren't engaged when we met. When we met, we were like, when we met, we were like, oh, this is something that's serious and we want to continue it. But before we actually met, we were just dating. Yeah, I'm reading your message now, and there was no mention of it. And he, in fact, I have it, I can screenshot it and share it to you, where he told me he will never let her be a mod. Get down, coffee! A month ago.
Only a month ago?
Yeah. I'm sending it to you. Oh, you're playing Elden Ring. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice, nice. But you know what? Whatever. Not my horse. Not my horse, not my race. Ooh, pretty gray fox, Therian. That's beautiful. I love that. I love M&M's. I love M&M's. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hello everybody and welcome back from ads. If you don't know me, my name is Mom Noms and I'm here and I'm a professional chef and I'm teaching you how to cook. Hi, thanks. How are you doing? We have some cookies that we're currently working on. We have the oven going. After these cookies are done, however, we are going to be making I'm gonna be smart about it. I'm using the good shit. After the cookies get done, we are gonna be making avocado cream pasta. Excited about that. He was awesome. He took a few minutes to talk to my cat before leaving. Aww, give me cookies. Oh my god. Cookie. Well, there's the cookies. I should just bake the whole thing. It'll be a cookie casserole. All right. These are going to be some giant ass cookies. I'm making giant cookies. Yeah, because I want the size. I will cook it after. Cookie slab, yes. I need this size is like the perfect size for what I'm trying to accomplish here. I love this. I am very happy with this. Oh, looking in at the living room. Well, that's not enough. Oh, barely, but enough. How are you doing today, Miss Nix? Things going well. I messaged you back last night, but it may have been too late because I don't have notifications turned on my disc. I don't have notifications turned on for most social media stuff. Because I don't like to be bothered. Mostly. And I had just too many things that like people talk too much about. So I have time periods that I get in. You having a stroke over there? No, he's trying to get the whole thing. He's trying to get the whole thing. Tabletop looking nice. Right? Isn't this nice? Isn't this nice? Are we having an earthquake? We could be. We could be. Unsure. We're gonna have a camera up there at some point. You saw your message? Okay. We were watching more of the show that we're actually making these cookies for, and we were just having like a nice little date night, so I had not been really on Discord. Rip, he's on the floor. Red just sitting over there like this. Red's just over on the side being like, I don't like my hands being sticky. This is why I don't bake a lot. I really dislike that feeling, guys. Like, it really bothers me. But welcome in. Oh no, earthquake! Oh no, super dog! Just a tiny little baby. Do we give Lucas the rest of this to just, like, absolutely engorge himself on? These are gonna be... These cookies might be giant. They might be giant. It is a band. Good band name, bad band name. Oh, we haven't seen him in a long time. Hope he's doing well.
Yeah.
He's doing ads?
Yeah. Autos.
Good band name, bad band name guy?
Yeah. Also,
I don't like how sticky. You want this? Take it. Oh no, super dog. Okay, last one. And then I am going to clean my hands. That I don't like. Red happy now? Red is happy now. Red is like a kid when it comes to when I'm baking sweet stuff. Red is always like, I'm gonna lick the spoon! Can I lick the spoon? And of course you have to say yes. We can see you, Red? Yeah. There's some left in the bowl
I
too.
wasn't ready. No, I ate so much already. I'm not used to the new camera angle because I just changed it a minute.
I used Red's very nice ice cream scoop, so I have to clean it by hand and make sure that it gets put away and it's still all nice. Because, of course, Red has a very nice ice cream scoop. Oh my god, that's me. I lick the spoon. I have enough for, like, a couple more cookies in here, too. And I don't know what to do with it. Let's see how much I have left. I don't want to waste it, but also I have a ton of cookie dough in the freezer already. Not this particular kind of cookie dough, but still cookie dough. Yeah, there's enough for like 2 more cookies of the giant cookies. Should I just put one in a skull?
Yep.
Okay. Is the skull the thing that we do when we have leftover stuff now? Cool. We're gonna be making so much skull shit. This gochujang is spicier, so I thought that it would be a nice little pick. And he is from Nashville. So, Lord knows, Nashvillians lack spice. Well, most of them do. Damn, dude. All right. Cookies are about to go in. Mmm. See, you can't do cookie dough bites when you use raw egg and raw flour, though. So that's why the color... Yeah, that's why they're kind of reddish. Ooh, it does have a nice spice. These are gochujang chocolate chip cookies. They're wonderful. They're on my catering list, so if you ever, like, as a dessert, so if you ever get anything catered from me, you can request to have these cookies. Hey, Google, set a timer for 15 minutes. Or no, cancel. Hey, Google. Hey, Google, cancel. Hey, Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. All right. Ooh, that spice hit you in the back of the throat. Really nice, but I do need a drink now. Also, oh nice, it shows that streamer does have legs.
Or has legs.
All right, intentionally. Yes, it is intentionally that color. Okay, so avocado cream. What we're gonna do, I'm trying to think of the best way to do this. Probably a bigger bowl, because we're gonna have to zoom in. We're gonna have to zoom. I want you in my room. We're gonna have to stick blend it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and we'll get started on the stuff that I need to cook down before it gets before it gets stick blended. It's gonna have onion, garlic that we're going to saute down, and then it will have avocado and it'll have avocado and spinach, a little bit of lime, red pepper, chili flakes, salt and pepper, and thyme in it. No, we just got this. We got it. We got it for this one? This one? No. This has always been broken since we moved in. It has always been broken since we moved in. Hi, Bacon Jam. How are you doing? That's broken. But the reason I asked is because of when we got this for $50. You guys can still have time to donate to help us to have them paid for it. It was needed, obviously, but the bottom drawer doesn't latch. The bottom handle doesn't latch very well, but it's still very pretty. And I woke up to pee and saw you were on. Well, welcome in. I'm glad you woke up to pee. I'm glad you woke up to piss and saw that I was online. That's very nice. That's very nice of you. All right, let me get my... Oh, shit. I almost dropped everything. Okay, so we have our garlic. We have our onion, and what we're going to do with this garlic and onion is we're going to mince it up. It's going to get blended in anyway. I also dyed my fingers blue, so you're going to see it in this camera pretty easily pretty soon. That might... Oh, hey, the nails are only blue now. Only my nails are blue now. But we are going to basically just cut this into like little tiny pieces, and then we're going to saute it down for just a moment until it's translucent with a little bit of salt. Then we are going to add this into our bowl in order to make the cream sauce that we're making. And the cream sauce is going to be, you can do this without adding actual cream, or, you know, you don't have to add cream. You don't have to have the cheese in it if you don't want to. If you are vegan and you want to do this, feel free. It's not that difficult to make this dish veganized. Just add water instead. Add water and some veggie broth instead of adding your cream, and then you can put vegan cheese in it, or you can keep cheese completely out of it. Red does have quality camera work. We are still about... We are also still... We have 5 days left of the month. We need 15 more subs, guys. We need 15 more subs. Did I put this down in the reflecting pool? No, I dyed shit. I will go and get the stuff that I dyed after we get the cream simmering down, so that you can see what I dyed and why it turned my hands blue. Well, they're like green blue. They're like aquamarine colored. My whole fingers were. They still kind of are. But they look better than they did, okay? We don't bring any pieces. Yeah, we didn't bring any pieces with us. That's illegal. Apparently, Orange Dump Truck said that he went to the reflecting pool and it looks...
The savory juices from the slow cooked.
Thank you so much! Oh my god! We have a hype train! I love you, Nyx. I love you. Thank you so much! Keep that hype train going!
The savory juices from the slow cooked
God.
bacon overflow to every corner.
Well, there you go. Thank you. Done. Nyx said, I got this. Don't worry about it. Nyx, please message Red. We have a golden Cappy train. Hell yeah. What is a golden Kappa train? What is the golden Kappa train? I don't know what that is. Keep going. I don't know what this means, but keep going. I've never seen a golden Cappy train.
It's a super rare.
Oh, cool. I'm excited. I'm excited. If you want a super rare Twitch emote, donate, do biddies, do whatever you can, and keep the train going. Run a train on me. I mean, what? Hilton giving a gift to Pickles. I love that. I love Pickles having an event of things. And Red coming in with the uncommon. Red was like, I am getting this emote. Red said, I'm getting this emote. Don't worry about it. Oh, thank you guys. And we're 26% into a level 5 as I watch me chop my onions really nice like. That's amazing. Thank you guys. I do give a shift. Red pulling an Oprah out here. Red said, I want this emote. So I don't know what this emote is, but I want this emote. So I'm going to go ahead and donate.
Bacon.
Nixie, give him 50. Oh, I love that. The little snowman. People have been posting pieces that reflect on eBay. It gets flagged, the ads pulled down, and federal police are sent to their addresses. That's insane. He said that, okay, so the dump truck said that he went to the reflecting pool, which I highly doubt. And it was blue because it was vandalized, or it was green because it was vandalized. I was like, what the crap?
The savor juices from the slow
Holy crap!
overflow to every corner of my mouth.
Womp womp. You can get two. You can get 2 things added in. You've donated enough to get 2 baskets, and we're gonna do the basket sometime in the first or second week of. Oh my god, we're almost there. Why is there a finish line? Do we have to make it to the finish line to get the golden kappa?
24-hour golden kappa.
About to beat your last record. Oh, that's my last record. That's the it vandalized because they drove his motorcade over the uncured surface. Yeah, but he said that it was like it was his like everybody else was the ones vandalizing it. And I was like, what is your problem, my guy? It's my record. Yeah, I just realized that. If you like how I chop, you can get in on the hype train. I don't know what else to say. I'm really bad at promoting myself, guys. I'm really bad at promoting myself. You haven't even put anything into the last time? Oh, well then you can put it in now, because we have like a couple of months worth of them right now. We have a couple months left of them because I did not do them after Red got home for my birthday. Hey Google, time remaining. Oh, these cookies are ginormous. Wait, hold on. You can chuck them into the basket. Yes, you can just put them in. Let me. Look at these cookies. I'm pretty sure they're done. So I am going to do a smart thing. Hey Google, stop. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. That means we hit goals for the end of the month. Our end of the month goals. You know, we do the thing where we're trying to grow. We're trying to get to where we want to be, because we want Mom Noms to be profitable so that I can just, you know, be on stream all the time. Basically. Be on stream and entertaining you guys. That's what I want to do. Making videos. Making foods for the peoples. I love being on camera, if you couldn't tell. I'm totally an attention.
When it comes to bacon,
be prepared.
be prepared.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Miriam. You're awesome. You are so awesome. All right, let's get these onions in here. Thank you for the bitters. Hold on 1 second, you guys. I'll be right back.
Smells so good.
The cookies?
What does it smell like pancake?
Because they were made out of brown sugar?
That one skull cookie is humongous.
Yeah, they're both kind of the whole of the cookies are big. They're not the most gorgeous cookies in the world, but
The savory juices from the slow-cooked bacon.
wait, what?
Overflow to every corner of my mouth.
Potion! You also have to put in some stuff. 79% to a level through a level 6 hype train, and you guys beat my record. I love you. I love you guys so much. I really do just want to be able to do this like full time and not have to worry about other things. Like, I love catering and I will continue catering, but I'd like to not have to rely on catering because honestly, that's more. Twitch is more consistent than catering is sometimes. I clicked the button, I gifted to all actual viewers who did not have subs. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like when you gift to people as well that like haven't been on in a while, because like then they come back and they're like, oh my god, I didn't know you streamed again. And I'm like, wait, what? Hi, stranger. I like that part too. 10 seconds left in our hype train. Choo-choo. Golden Kappa hype train. You guys are awesome. I don't know what would make it go over 6. Oh, done! And we're done. That's amazing. I want to open though. Can I have my thank you. I want to open it. Whoa! Look at that golden Kappa. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh my god, you guys are awesome. Welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Seriously, like I'm really bad at showing when I actually appreciate things. So if you're ever like, this streamer is so fucking fake and not actually thanking me, drink more, cook less. Oh, I'd love to drink more, cook less. That sounds fun. Actually, I love cooking. I'd like to drink more while cooking. I'd like to have really nice wine that I drink while I'm cooking. These are still hard as fuck. These avocados. They're 2 weeks old, Lucas. I got these 2 weeks ago, and they're not ripe at all. Recipe, but every step you have to drink. Can I see that? Because it got clicked.
Are you sure about that?
Are you sure about that? Thank you so much for the gifted sub. Drink more, cook less. Hello, drink more, cook less. How you doing? How you doing? All right. We have our onions, our oh no onions, as we call them, for our lovely Miss Seth, because Seth does not like these. Sephi, do you like avocado? Because, like, the onions are not important on this. I just like the flavor that it adds to the sauce, but they're not necessary.
Mexico.
Mexico. My avocados are from Mexico. I did that with them before too. I did that before. I've had them for 2 weeks, and like everything that I know to do to ripen them, they don't ripen. Yes, there is a address. Red can get you the address. I love getting mail. That's why I have a throne gift list, by the way. It's because I like getting mail a lot. Surprised they're still hard. That's what I'm saying. They're like rock hard. I'll show you guys in a moment after I add the garlic, as my video coming out later today says. I will show you how hard they are. God, my fingernails are really pissing me off with how blue they are. I feel like I look like I'm dying. If anyone comes in and they see me chopping stuff, they're gonna be like, what is wrong with your fingers? Are you dying? Yes! I'm fucking dying! This is not something you get on Throne. Ooh, kinky. Sorry. I was talking about Has Been Hotel earlier, so and Hell of a Boss, and so my brain is like with my babies who are dirty, dirty little beings. Just have the cats use them as toys, maybe that'll help. Not everything is putting up the butt, Mom. Sometimes. I do have a Chinese eggplant, and it is shaped deliciously. It is shaped deliciously. Both of them are, yeah. That one's a little straight. I like them curved. This will tell me a lot about you. I need Steve in here going, this will tell me a lot about you. Oh, I swear I'm okay, you guys. Oh, Kiki. More clips. Everybody clip your hands. Actually, I'm probably starting in July. I am going to, I don't know what yet. I don't know what I'm going to offer you guys. But I am going to have like little rewards and stuff for people who clip and get the most views and stuff. It's like a reward. It's like a reward. Because, like I said, we're trying to grow. And these things help you grow. And also, I really like clips because I like to see what makes you guys laugh. Yeah, this is... out. Okay, first of all... reward Red's feet pics. I don't think you guys would like Red's feet pics. I like Red's feet. Yeah, not in a sexy way. Where did the cut go on this? We don't buy because they are always hard as a rock picked up. Excuse me? What? Oh. My first cam and micro traded for a Lude's calendar. Don't you still owe that to Milkman? Don't you still owe that to Milkman? I can't fucking open this thing. This is how hard it is. I can't get it to come open. I broke it, but that's fine. At least it opened. I don't know who Gopher Chaffee is. Red feet pics. I mean, if you want some red feet pics, pay money, I guess. Like, if you want it, pay money. I don't know. Red would, like, sell out his fucking soul. I swear to God. He'd be like, you know what? Will this make us grow? Do I need to show my butthole on stream? What? He'd get kicked out of the country for showing his butthole on stream, to be very honest, though. Don't eat avocado seeds. Pose ain't special. Wow! What are you? Would y'all rather see my butthole on stream? Do we need to start an OnlyFans? Only cooks. Really not actually any kind of nudes or anything. I just make weird shit and like then you get to see it. I'll make a butthole. We could do I mean my hamburger buns had bussies. Bondage chicken. Hell yeah. This is why we're so tired. We're so tired. I wanted to do feet OnlyFans when I had to show my toenails. Where I show my toenails that are gross. Oh my god. You would, Miriam. You would. This avocado is hard as fuck. Do. I am struggling. I never struggle with avocados as much as I've struggled with these fuckers. Fuckers back! Oh my god. Ah! Just let loose already! Okay, you know what? You're a little bitch, and I don't like you anymore. I give up on avocados. I never want to eat them again in my life. Just kidding. I actually like avocados. I'm a fucking millennial. But these things are assholes. Huh? Do this a different way. Yep, I did do it with apples, with a green apple. Try nuking it for 30 seconds. I nuked the last one, and the last one that I tried to, and it didn't help it at all either. If she... It's just these! These are such a bitch. I am never getting these avocados again in my life. Ever. Ever. I am going to stick with what I know, which is my, like, this, I bought them from Kroger, and I knew I shouldn't have bought them from Kroger. I knew I should have just gotten them from my, I should have just gotten them from my Asian market. But I was like, oh, they're on sale. No wonder they're on sale. You can't fucking eat them ever. We bought them 2 weeks ago. And every time I try to go eat one, it's like, no. So we're just doing it this way. Also, don't eat avocado seed. It's extremely poisonous. You get? We're eating, yeah, no avocado, just cream pasta. It's it's called stealing. I steal my avocados. Do you have a nice little avocado tree? I used to have an avocado tree in my backyard when I lived in Fremont, California. And a lemon tree. It was very nice. No, it's donations. Ugh. I'm strong! Bitches once deep fried an avocado pit for 9 hours, then sliced it and ate it. You did? You did. How was your tummy afterwards? The fucking pit won't even come out! I'm done. Fuck you, avocado! Nope, it's because I work for a grocery store and we pull stuff before expiration date. It looks really ripe. It's not ripe at all. It's still like I don't know if you guys can see this texture. It's like a chewy texture. It's not soft. It's not ripened correctly. And I don't know why. Especially because I've tried to use alternative methods of making sure that they were ripe. None of them fucking worked. Maybe I should just leave them out in the humidity for an entire day. I only have one left. I only have one left, and I'm trying to get rid of all of these. So. What are you laughing at? It does look like plastic. It looks fake as fuck. I've never seen a more fake-looking avocado in my entire life. Like the shit that they put on tables that make it look like real food, but it's not actually real food, and then you bite into it and you're severely depressed because it's foam. Yeah. That's exactly what I was thinking of when I said that, Lucas. I mean, at least I can slice them out of here. For the most part, I can just go, wee. They smell like avocado, at least. I'm, like, sweating preparing these avocados. Like, tag me out, coach, I'm done! What? It did just increase the... Make sure to buy, when you're making this dish, please make sure to buy, like, you know, avocados that seem like they're gonna be ripe, okay? They seem like they're actually gonna be ripe. They don't, when you knock them, they don't go, oh, dunk, 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 and feel like you're gonna break your entire counter with them, because that's not what we want. That's not what we want. All right, look. Fucking avocados. Look, guys, I did it! Oh my god! Get down. Oh my god, the middle of the skulls, went down. I had a customer the other day who asked if they could have 3 dozen deboned chicken party wings. I said that we don't offer that, but I worked at restaurants where they've done that and charged $75 a dozen for it. The customer was like, that's a ripoff. They do, they look like green bananas. What the fuck? Oh my god, I love that emote so much. You know what? I saw on give me 1 second, guys. I'm really, that really did just piss me off, so I am going to take a second. I will keep talking to you guys, but I am taking a second first. So I saw on a post on the restaurant group, like when people ask for food and stuff in Nashville, someone was like, I wanted to have my family's coming into town and there's 10 of us and we wanted to have a party at this one restaurant and we don't understand, like we called in because they told us that we need to call in, so we called in and they said that we needed a message because there's 10 of us, so we emailed them and they said that it has to be at least $1,000 and there's a 6% gratuity and blah 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 blah. And I was like, the restaurant that they were talking about is a fine dining restaurant, like, and they were like, this is too expensive.
Dolphin.
Hi, Dolphin. I'm pissed off. Sorry. I got mad at my avocado, okay? Because it's like, ugh, not happy. Can I have some cookies? Yeah, you can have some cookies. Also, I saw Blacksmith come in. Hello, Blacksmith. 190k yen or dollars. And they were like, I can't believe it. Like, how dare them, like, do this to me? Because, like, these people don't even really, like, some of them won't even eat. And I'm like, then go for something cheaper, my guy. Like, you're asking a fine dining restaurant who usually, like, at max seats, like, 4 people. Because it's fine dining. Like, I'm talking it's a Michelin star. USD, damn. It has a Michelin star. And they're like, $1,000 for 10 people is such a ripoff. No, it's not. At a Michelin star restaurant? Fuck you. Anyway, regular people piss me off. People who don't know food and don't understand food cost and then complain about it on the internet, like... Huh? Okay, so I cut up this stupid fucking avocado. And I added half of a lemon juice. We now have the onions and the garlic that I sauteed down in there. We have like about a tablespoon of pepper, about a quarter of a tablespoon of red pepper chili flakes, a good 2 pinches of, maybe 3 pinches of salt. We're going to add in the garlic powder as well. Boom. About a teaspoon of garlic powder and about a teaspoon of thyme. And then I'm melting down butter that we're going to add into. I just swallowed all that thyme. Adding in the butter. Can you get down? I can't see chat. I know you want to be the center of attention, but I can't see chat now. Will it cream? I'm guessing not. Most people don't understand that they are not just paying for food, they're paying for wages, insurance, rent. Yeah, no, they don't care about any of that. They don't give a fuck about any of that. Because when you tell them, when they're like, oh my god, I hate the tipping system. Yeah, you know what? The tipping system really does fucking suck. But do you think that, like, oh, I have to go to the back and get my spinach. Okay, we're gonna add approximately a cup of cream, but like I said, if you are a vegan and you want to do this, you don't have to add the cream. You can add in a cup of water that is mixed with like a vegetable bouillon. Excuse me, I have to go to the other fridge real quick. Go get my spinach. We need spinach. And you're like, well, your prices of food are going to go up if they like change the system to actually like paying, you know, servers what they should be paid. But they don't even pay chefs what they should be paid. Us like I can make this cheaper at home, then go for it. If you're a vegan, I judge you. I don't judge you if you're a vegan. I mean, I judge you if you're an asshole vegan. If you're like, oh my god, especially if you're an asshole vegan who gets told by indigenous people that like meat is part of their like, you know, culture, and then you go, oh my god, that's not true, and then you talk over indigenous people, then I'm like, you're a fucking asshole. Okay, so about a cup of spinach in here as well. Put the spinach up. The spinach up. My shirt is animated though. I like this shirt a lot. And we're gonna zoom it. Oh my god, Red is just laughing over here. Red is dying. What are y'all doing to him? My dog is, no, it's not. I fucking hate when people do that. They're like, my cat's vegan. Shut an animal abuser if your cat's vegan. They're fucking meat eaters. They're carnivores. My cow is vegan. I only eat vegans. I only eat vegans. They're fucking tasty. No, they're not. They have no fat. There's no fat. And I don't hate vegans. If you want to be a vegan, that's fine, but don't be an asshole. Like, one of my old best friends, she was vegan. They were vegan. And I would just, like, you know, adjust what I normally made for them. And they were fine. Like, if there was meat being made in the house, they were fine. They did not care. I don't think this is going to turn out as pretty as I want it because of this stupid fucking avocado.
My carnivorous plant is also vegan.
What? These avocados are so hard. Yeah, I think because these are so hard, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water into them. Red is just over here dying, guys. Y'all are crazy. Mom picks the mic, yeah. People are insane. I also love seeing all the people that are like, I want to marry a chef. No, you fucking don't. You don't want to marry a chef because you know what you're going to eat? Sandwiches. You're going to eat butter sandwiches 90% of the time. They cook for your ass. You're not paying them. Okay, we're gonna cut these down. What? Chip buddies? Okay, we're gonna cook this down and then do it again.
What?
We're gonna cook this down and do it again. And then we're gonna zoom it again afterwards. Because like you don't normally you wouldn't have to do this because your avocados aren't gonna be from Satan himself. Genetically modified avocados that never ripen. Who would do that? Who would do that? So we're gonna put this. You have to put it on the stove anyway. The only other like to make it come down. The only problem that we're facing is that it's not as creamy as I want it right now because of that avocado being like a bitch. Essentially, it smells delicious. It smells very tasty. But we're gonna have to cook it down with a little bit of water and then once again, basically add in or zoot it. While this is going, I will get. Oh no, I can't believe you've done this. I can't believe you've done this, bitch. Do not mess up my beautiful things. I dyed my fucking stove blue last night. We do love you, Seffi. Blue. I'm gonna make a coffee. Anyone want one? I want one. I have a little bit of coffee left, but I would like more coffee, please. Thank you. Have a nice day. No, it's only food coloring. Oh, while this is kind of going down. While this is going down. Where are you, bitch? There you are. No, they can just be served like this. These are amazing cookies. What are you talking about? You want one? Sure. Drink some Coke. I don't think coffee is going to help your nausea. You've been laughing too much. That's why you're nauseous. Diet Coke, not the nose Coke. It's so good. Oh, that spice is nice. That spice is really nice. Okay. The cookie calmed me down, guys. The cookie calmed me down. Maybe next time. Yeah, we don't do the nose Coke around here. We don't do nose candy around here. We have a child. We have to keep our wits about us and all that good stuff. Pasta. Water. Lucas can't stop. He can't stop laughing. And he's wondering why he's nauseous. I did the passive aggressive. That wasn't satire. White powder. My white powder is salt most of the time. All right, so if you guys didn't know the 5-minute, the very nice way to do pasta, you put in water, go ahead and put in the pasta and the salt, and as soon as it hits 5 minutes, as soon as it starts boiling, you put it in on a timer for 5 minutes, and it comes out perfectly. Parallel version Salt Bae? I could. Wait, hold on. You ever punch someone when you throw salt over your... no, I just throw salt into Lucas's face a lot. Oh, good God. Damn, I bet that burns like hell. Oh my God. Okay, so we have everything going. We're gonna let our fucking avocado soften in there before we can zzz it again.
The savory juices from the slow-cooked bacon overflow to every corner of my mouth.
Thank you so much for that sub! How you doing?
Strip lurk.
How you doing? We're having a weird day. This is a weird day. Welcome to a weird-ass stream. Instead of, Mom, there's a weird fucking cat outside. Mom! You're being weird. Are they not all the streams? No. Not this bad. Weird TTS bot. I don't know why it started doing the TTS bot thing. It's weird. That is also weird. Okay, I want to taste this. Make sure it's the right taste, at least. It's the right taste. I'll if I have some time, I'll have some cool alerts if I have some time. Yeah, buddy, these alerts are still from 2017.
This is just the stream one.
Oh, it didn't used to be that. There used to be a thing in it. Oh my God. It does. It tastes like you can taste the avocado in it, but it's just weird, man.
Also,
Yes, that's why I'm melting it down. I'm basically gonna reduce this, reblend it, and then sieve it in order to get a creamy consistency instead of whatever the fuck is going on right now. These cookies are fun. For the next 2 minutes and 22 seconds, while we're waiting on ads and things are just doing what they're doing, you guys are gonna watch me eat a cookie. A cookie that is literally, by the way, the size of my face. It's a face cookie. Hi, Alistair. I've got huge cookies. How about you? Hello. Hello. I'm literally for 2 minutes eating a cookie while everything else does its thing. Yeah, that's why. You can't. This is way too broken. I don't know what happened. I do know what happened. The people who lived here before us were fucking morons. And they would leave this out slightly and then bring this one and hit it every time. Because that's sticking out and that's screws and I'm gonna run into it and you know I will. I don't like this. I don't like this. Those are screws. I will run into it and cut myself. The people who used to live here would basically, because the other drawer is like fucked up too. And so basically they would leave this drawer out a little bit and then try to open the other drawer and hit it until it broke. Okay, the avocado is starting to loosen. Anyway, we have an ad starting in 6 seconds and I'm still eating my cookie. I have no faith in you. One long night with the MSG out. Can't have anything nice. I love MSG. Ad break!
With glue.
That would probably work. I didn't even finish my giant ass cookie in 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Can't believe I ate almost one of those entire. That's such a. Olan gets 2. No, because I baked you a cookie, Gary. Mom filled that cookie. I did. I feel like eating, man. Avocado loosened me up. Avocado, the avocado that we were working with is shitty as fuck. But we're doing this because we're going to see someone who created a thing that we really like, and one of their characters' name is Avocado. Wait, when did I get a second donation from you? Kosher, the $3. I didn't see that. I'm sorry. Thank you very much. Hey, almost all you guys are subs, so you just get to hear me talking shit behind the ground now. Behind the ground. I did not fail at the avocado. The avocado fucking failed me. The avocado failed me. It has been around for 2 weeks. It should be soft. Woohoo! You're on a 3-day stream streak. Yes, Alistair. Everyone's streaking today. I love watching you guys streak. Oh, it was an earthquake? Yeah, it was an earthquake. That's $8. We have $28 towards the amount that we spent on our thing. Yay. Exciting. That's what the subs get to watch Red be all like handyman over here. I love it. I like Red being a handyman. I'm just putting that out there. Get down. All right, guys, we are back from ads. Oh my god, everything's falling now. Because, I don't know what just happened to Lucas. He just went backwards and, like, ran into stuff. Welcome back from ads. If you don't know me, my name is Mom Noms. I'm a professional chef of the last 20 years, and here I teach you how to cook and how to be weird, and things are broken. Things are always broken. It's fine. Whatever. User error, all that bullshit, and our fucking cream sauce is finally coming to, our avocado is finally loosening up and isn't plastic anymore. but on how to cut avocados. I know how to cut avocados. That is, are you kidding me? Do you want to see the inside of that avocado again? Because I still have pieces of it. This shit is plastic. This shit is plastic. This shit is plastic. I have never seen an avocado texture like this. It looks like candy or something. It's disgusting. But we gotta use what we have, okay? Gotta use what we have. All I hear are excuses. I'm gonna kick your ass, Kosher. U2 is broken. The avocado looks fake. It looks like the stupid, like the foam stuff that you put on your table that is like, oh, look at the beautiful apples and stuff like that. And then you take a bite of it and it's just styrofoam in your mouth. That's what it looks like to me. And I've had it for 2 weeks and it didn't soften. An apartment demo fruit, yes. But yes, I'm gonna kick your ass.
You're making me
Hold on.
mad!
You're making me mad! I was answering something, so I am going to finish answering it because people are fucking weird and I hate them. Anyway, everything's fine. Everything's fine, guys. Everything's great. We're having this we're just having a grand old time. And no, I shut the thing. Didn't want to shut it. I need something out of it. I need my thing. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Set a timer for 5 minutes. A second timer? Oh, I didn't hear you set one. Yours is done. Okay. Excuse me, naked red. Why are you naked? Oh, because you're streaking. Damn, you are naked. You are so naked. All right, let's try to blend this out just a little bit more and see if we can. I'm going to sieve it at the end because, like, it's just not going to look pretty unless I do. You stay there. We're going to use my Doctor Who spatula today. You just made Miriam go, ooh, when are we getting an an arugula milk bath? Naked. Swear, Red would do so much better on OnlyFans than I could. Gotta take meds? You take your meds. You take your meds. You be sane. Don't forget to take your meds, children. Yes. This is doing what I wanted it to do in place. Okay. Let's sieve this and put it back in. There's just so much shit in my way now because Red decided now was the correct time in order to fucking fix things. And I can't find my thing. My sieve, my like metal thing sieve. Is it reminding you of the cashew sauce you used to make? It get moist and milky. Oh my god, you want to get moist and milky with Red, Kosher? Go ahead, that's fine. As long as we're 5 feet apart, because we're not gay. Sounds frothy. We'll have a pool for that though. Thank you. I think Red is also regretting his decision to try to fix things while I'm cooking. It is frothy. Thought tub, oh my god. There's too much shit in here now. Okay. Normally, you would not have to really do this if you don't want to. But I am saving it because it just does have all of that, like, extra bullshit from the avocado being strange and plasticky. And I swear to God, it was fake avocado, but it smells and tastes like real avocado, except for it doesn't have the right consistency. Yes. What was the genre? What was the cuisine? 407 seats, that's crazy. Hey Google, time remaining. I figured. I got quiet for the first time all stream, guys. I'm like concentrating. No. I know you like to save this stuff for dips and stuff, but no, this would... Looking at you, Cheesecake Factory. I think I'm cracking up. Yeah. Isn't this a good lo-fi? We were a brew pub that did upscale pub food. Oh, I love upscale, like... But only if you use the... if you use the word gastropub. I like upscale pub food. Okay. Add in some of our pasta water. That. Bring this up to boil down a little bit and take our pasta out. I'm also going to add in... You live! Hi, Dolphin. I'm glad you live. I scratched this shit out myself on that thing. I knew that would happen. I have to get a tetanus shot. You're getting stuff to sleep over at your friends? Yay! That sounds fun. That sounds fun. We're gonna reduce this pasta sauce down a lot. And about towards the end, I'm gonna add in some cherry tomatoes. I have a question. What's your question? We have 400 seats, 2 banquet halls, 52 more seats outside during the summer. 1,200, 1,600 covers a day between lunch and dinner. Everything made from scratch, including 300 pieces. Woo! Damn. That sounds fun. What is tomorrow? Friday, tomorrow night, Red Pink is streaming. Tomorrow night, Red Pink is streaming. Tomorrow, Mom Noms will not be on, no. I have a well-deserved break from streaming on Mom Noms until Saturday night. Really? Yes. Red Pink. Yes, we will be streaming tomorrow night, and I don't know what we're streaming yet. Because we haven't really been doing a schedule, like we're streaming these games. We've been kind of like, what do you feel like? And it's between Dandy's World and SAR most of the time. I don't know how I'm going to get into the cutlery drawer now. I will need it pretty soon. This is why I'm like, why did you decide to do this while I'm cooking? It's Saturday night. We switched it back to after service being on Saturday. All right. Wave your hair, Red. Wave your hair. Yeah, red pink is do not want to do these stupid dishes. Red pink is Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And Mom Noms is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Or Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Although the Thursday one we might change because we have known I'm trying to get the best numbers. I know that sounds lame. But like y'all already know, I have goals. So we might have to switch the Thursday Mom Nom stream to a different day. I couldn't see it. Miriam wants you to wave your hair again. Fabulous. Why are you walking like that? Fucking
Right, more? Why would I walk like that? I would. Did I order that? I did.
I named myself Tribor because as hard as I try, I cannot bore you. He's walking out like a model. He really is. Some math will be required. Hey, I have 2 fridges now. I can make 5-gallon buckets of shit. I have my Cambros. I have my Cambros. Okay, I'm adding tomatoes. If you want to put meat in here, if you're like, you know what, this needs some kind of meat, fish and shrimp, any kind of seafood is going to be your best bet on this because it is a lighter sauce. It doesn't, it will be completely covered up if you put things like beef. Even chicken is a little too heavy for it. So if you do a really light whitefish or shrimp in this, it's going to taste fabulous. Do you really need 5 gallons of an award-winning? Yes, I do. Do you know how much my fucking family eats ranch? My child last night, we don't have ranch right now. We were eating corn dogs and fries. Do you have ranch? No. No, I don't. Aww. Oh, yeah, I can move around. Amazing. Amazing grace. How sweet is your sound. We just need this to reduce. And then we can eat food. Fabulous. Fabulous. Okay, that's good. You know what? We may have fought the avocados, but it turned out delicious. Right? Okay. Fuck. Me saying, I'm gonna clean up so I don't hurt myself fucking hurts myself. Our ranch was so popular because we attached to a bottling plant and people are always asked if we could bottle, but that's not how beer works. No, it's not. That's so funny. Ooh, yummy. I just make ranch usually. Usually I make my ranch, but there is a pizza place that is like it's a chain kind of. Like it's a semi-regional chain. You can find it in a couple of states, but I had never seen it before I moved to Nashville, but it's called Jet's Pizza and they have wonderful ranch. And so every so often when we actually order out our like Courtney wants pizza. Usually when Courtney wants pizza, we get ranch from them. And then we get the big bottle of ranch so that we can have ranch for a little bit. That I don't make. That's what I use as my squeeze bottle, actually. I have like 7 of the squeeze bottles. Okay. But it is a damn nice ranch. We have so many of these. Cookie! Oh, the cookies are so good. Let me just tell you. Let me tell you something. Them cookies are tasty. Them cookies is tasty. They look good. They're gochujang cookies, so they have a little bit of spice to them. They're very nice. Alright, we're almost to where I want them to be, so we're gonna start plating Red's taste tester of a plate. Spicy cookies. They are spicy. Spicy cucumber. Nope. The towel fell on the cat's head. What? You have 100 more recipes to explore and knife guide because you don't need it, but lives in that folder. I can give the knife guide to Red. Red understands the basics of knife safety, which is nice. What? Sticky. He's sticky. Cut veggies. How to stab people, a comprehensive guide. Oh my god. Oh my lord. You are strange. Ooh, that sounds really nice, actually. Okay. All right, Red, are you ready? Are you ready for this jelly? I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready for this jelly because my Kato is too bootylicious for you, baby. You ready? Okay, okay. The cashew cream sauce is stupid good. Whoa, that sounds good. Their avocado brings all the boys to the yard. And beautiful. Cream go away from, but that's fine.
I'm gonna end up with my mouth.
Sorry, I had to. Y'all need to go. Cats. All right, let's see how Red Red feels about this. How do you feel? Red reviews. Yeah, that's basically what this segment is. It's called Red Reviews, where he eats what I make and then tells me, as a person who only started learning a lot about food when we got together 6 years ago, what he thinks. Do I want to do it up or do I want to do it to the side? I think I want to do it. He's just quiet. Usually I hear something. Like a giggle or like a or anything like that. Today I hear nothing. I don't even know what's going on. My back is turned to you guys. Never mind. Pouring it out like as if you're not gonna. This is literally our lunch. As if you're not gonna already eat this. I want it to look like a bird's nest, kind of. Quietest Mom Noms has been all day, guys. As I focus on how I want this to look. I already know he's not a big fan of burst tomatoes. I already know that. Although, I make them a lot, so most of the time I'm like, you'll eat it. Because he'll eat pretty much anything. Little bit of that, little bit of that. Alright. It's flavorful, but not overly heavy. The tomatoes are a great refresher in between bites. Yas! Yas! That's exciting. There we go. Avocado doesn't shine through too. The avocado doesn't shine through too much. It's leveled the spices. It's leveled by the spices and cream. Yeah, because you don't want it tasting too much like avocado. Because like while avocado has a great flavor, you like it can get overwhelming. You could eat a bucket of this. Could you? Yeah, I want to bite. That's why I came over. I want to bite. That looks yummy. I need to try it in my belly. You need it in your belly. I'm glad we got any kind of pasta because the avocados were terrible. Can I have some? Oh, that is good. Wow. Yeah, I get it. There's also lemon in it, Lucas. Down? No, ma'am. No, sir. Coffee, that's a big no, baby. That's a big no. I'm a Kootly baby. If you want to make it for yourself, we will have the actual recipe, the recipe of everything that I did that is different today at some point. But for now, they allow you to be in their house? No. That's not how it works. I'm the mama. I allow them to be in my house. Get different avocados. Yeah, I'm not buying those avocados anymore. I'm gonna get them from my Asian market that I buy most of my food from. This was oh, they're on sale, and, like, they feel like they won't ripen too much, and blah, 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 blah. They didn't ripen at all. They didn't ripen at all. Yum. Anyway, you guys. Starting next week, I'm going to start having a call-in at the end of streams. I just need to actually get that set up. But this week, we are finished. We're finished except for our after service, which comes on Saturday night, where you will see Will It Cream? Who knows? Maybe. We don't know. Will it cream? Yes. Yes, it will. This one will definitely cream. This is a cherry. We're doing a cherry cheesecake dish. So this one will definitely cream. But for now, we're going to go and try to raid into somebody. I'm trying to see who is online today that I could raid into. None of my regulars are online. You know what? You know what? Ooh, cheesecake. Yes, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this ice cream because it's gonna have like kind of a sour flavor to it. It's gonna be really great. We're gonna raid into. We're gonna go out of food and drink for a little bit and raid into Cat Link. Cat Link is a friend of the stream, amazing person. Playing some video games. You guys might enjoy it. She's playing Trucker Life. You might enjoy it. She's raided into us before. I've been following her for fucking 11 years now, I think. Almost 11 years now. Like, a long time. Enjoy. You're welcome. We will be back with Mom Noms on Saturday night at 10 p.m. CST. We are going to be doing Will It Cream. Tonight, we will be on RDP&K. We might be, depending on how exhausted we are after the event tonight, because we got to go people. But we're going to try to be back on RDP&K playing some game. Might be Dandy's World. It might be SAR. Who knows? But we're going to be playing some game tonight on RDP&K and then tomorrow night as well. So you guys come and join us if you're not already joining us. Don't forget to hit don't forget to go and join our Discord if you're not already in our Discord. Follow and subscribe to the blog because then you can get recipes sent to your inbox. Follow me on all social media. Sub, donate, do all the good stuff because we love you and we're trying to make this into a bigger thing than we are doing right now. So, help us out. Anyway, we love you very, 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 very much. Thank you for being here. Thank you guys for just hanging out and making us laugh to the point that Red almost threw up. We will see you on Saturday. Bye!